Hey team, okay, we're getting our first look at the Maytronic Dolphin Liberty 400. So this is the Dolphin cordless cleaner. So we're doing an unboxing here today. Just going to have a look at the key features and benefits, and hopefully over the next week or two we'll get some comparisons between the Zodiac FR1000, which has been amazing, and the Liberty 400. So what do we got here? We've got covers your entire pool, floor, wall and water line, and that'll connect to the MyDolphin app. What do we got here? We've got a pickup hook which connects to your pool brush, and active scrubbing, eco mode, and then we've got some charging details here. Here's some specs which we'll put up on the link as well. And yeah, cool looking box. You know, really nice looking blue here. It's like a Tiffany blue. What else? We get a look at the unit from the outside. So I'm just going to pop this down for 1 second, just while we grab the knife here. And so the FR1000 it's pretty basic. You know, we have our charging dock station, we have the cleaner itself, and then we have pretty much just the hook with a base stand as well. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Oh, this is really nice, real tidy. So we've got a how-to manual by the look of it. This looks like some warranty details. Yeah, great. So we've got some warranty details, how-to. So that's a really tidy little package there. Yeah, this looks pretty killer. This must be the magnetic hook, possibly. Yeah, not sure, but it looks pretty rad anyway, whatever that is. Looks like that'll float as well, so if that falls in the pool, we should be okay. A little bit of packaging. Great, so we've got the cleaner. Cool, it's awesome having a good look at this. And what we'll be doing over the next sort of like week or two, we will be comparing the two models. We'll get them out, get them together. So from the outset, the sizing looks pretty similar to the FR1000. We've got a front brush on here, so that's going to be doing like all the cleaning. Looks like we've got some vortex here, so the water will come in through the nose and out. So it looks like it's designed really well. Track cleaner. Oh, cool, that's pretty rad. So as the basket opens, this just gets ready, so we're not having to like clamber around and trying to like grab the handle. So that's really cool. And look at this design here. So as that closes, it's pretty clever engineering. As it closes, it'll just push the basket handle in. Bang, handle, basket. So we've got the water that will feed in from the bottom. Water will feed in from the bottom here. And then it will get filtered out through the basket there, and then out through the top. Yes, so far looking really cool. I mean, all of these have got a ton of mechanical bits and pieces. Sort of thinking those are probably some lighting alerts, probably when we charge. So I'm gonna guess that that's what that is. Obviously, charge before use. It's not gonna work very well if you don't charge it. Yeah, so let us know in the comments below, like, what do you think of this? How does it look compared to the FR1000? If anyone's been running this as well, would love some feedback on that. We will be doing some testing soon. I think the guys are planning to drive this over the harbour bridge or under the harbour bridge. So we'll see what happens in Auckland. Yeah, we'll just give that a crack and see if we can get it back on the other side. So check that out in our next video. What else? So yeah, pretty simple, pretty standard. Like, you know, it does look like a simple track cleaner from the beginning. Cool little puffed logo here. But yeah, the design does definitely look a little bit different to what the Dolphin cleaners have been doing in the past. Doesn't have any clumsy sort of handles over the top. And definitely, which is the big feature, no cord, so cordless. Let's have a look at the charging station. Ooh, it's actually not a charging station, it's just a, hey, this is rad, this is really cool. So these two things which are here, which I wasn't sure are, is our charging. Wow, that's cool. So it's not a, there's no charging dock, which is really cool, which makes us quite different to the FR1000, which does have a dock. So we've got our, it must be, yeah, that's our sort of like a transformer, I guess. Plug into 3-pin 240, converts through here, bang, magnetic onto the back there. Pretty rad. Let us know what you think in the comments. That's really choice. We like the look of that. So there's not too much in terms of the actual cleaner itself. Like that's all you've got. We are going to recommend now, this does stay dry and this does stay undercover. So I probably wouldn't charge it in the pool pump shed. Typically most pump sheds are a bit of a dog's breakfast. So again, probably inside, probably in the garage, possibly. No, probably not in the house. This is probably going to have a bit of water on it. So we want to make sure that we keep that, this unit here dry. So many times we turn up at pools and, you know, we've got the whole unit, the controller sitting outside, plugged in with an extension cord on here. So, you know, sitting outside, water egress into these bits and pieces, like, will void your warranty. And, you know, we definitely can monitor that. All the suppliers do monitor that when they do warranty them. But the beauty of this, you know, we've got no connected cord. So we'll be able to get rid of that whole issue of a cord, you know, sort of pulling, breaking, water egress into the unit, and, you know, no clumsy sort of big caddies or bits and pieces sort of laying around. And also just mindful to know, guys, like when you're running your pool cleaner, that they are recommended to run for a period of time. So we want to keep them under, like I'll come back to you on the exact supplier recommended hours. So there is an hour use per unit as well. Once you go over that recommended hour usage, it is void of warranty. So make sure you read all the warranty details before using the unit. Don't keep the unit in the pool, and don't just keep starting it all the time. So probably, you know, 2 to 3 cycles per week, making sure that the hour usage comes in under that within the 3-year warranty period, which is on the FR1000. And I'll come back to you guys with some details on the warranty terms and conditions for the Liberty 400. Yeah, so let us know what you think, guys. And lucky last, we have our pull hook here. So I'm not 100% sure what this guy is. But we'll have a look through these and come back to you guys with some details. So in the instruction guide, that's just called the clicker. Oh, here we go. So after the cleaning cycle, shake the clicker inside the water for 3 seconds and the robot will climb to the nearest wall. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So there's no up button or remote. So this will sit in the water and it'll send a signal to the unit, which is kind of cool. The only problem is, you know, when the kids lose this, not if. It feels like it's a bit weighty. Guaranteed this is probably going to land on a couple of roofs, probably over at the neighbor's house. And I suspect the dogs are probably going to have a bit of a field day with that too. Cool. Let us know what you think, guys, and we'll keep posted for some comparative videos coming up. We'll be checking these both in the pool, the Liberty 400, the Zodiac FR1000, And we do have the FR 2000 coming shortly, and we'll be able to compare the 3 units as well. Also in the box here we have two spare filter panels as well, which will go into the unit and filter the water soak at the basket, followed by 2 filters. We also have, we're going to run a competition